Hi, today I'll show you how to make this rock glow in the dark using high level of radiation. First of all, I got this mineral kit and took this particular one. It is fluorite. Then I used my homemade X-ray machine to expose it to a high dose of X-rays. I removed the lead shielding and then placed the mineral in front of the tube window. That is where radiation comes from. Then turned the main switch and all the measuring equipment. Then it is time of the filament you see glowing, which creates the electrons inside of the tube. And finally, I switched on the high voltage. That creates the radiation by accelerating the electrons to about 10 million miles per hour and makes them collide violently with the anode, generating this. The white spots are the collision between the high energy photons and the phone camera sensor. After that, to activate the energy release, we need to gently heat the mineral. So I put it on this metal plate and then over the flame. Now we need to wait for it to heat. After some time it started to glow purple, and then it started emitting strange sound. I don't know what that is. After more time it started to glow green. This is so cool. The energy comes from the radiation because the other rock didn't do this. By the way, the rock is not radioactive. To do that you would need neutron irradiation.